everyone, this is Sheriff Tubarukır. Today we are in Zeytinburnu, Istanbul, on the European side of Istanbul. Before we did the video of Zeytinburnu, on top you can see the video, we left a link here. On or behind there is a project name called 16-9. It's consisting of 3 blocks, 494 apartments. All of them is ready to move. Most of them is occupied, more than 70%. And only 20 apartments left on the project for sale. So today we will see 246 meter square gross size, 184 meter square net size, sample apartment which is fully furnished. The price tag is $1,200,000. So don't wait, let's go to sample apartment. Did you understand now why it's called 16-9? Because of this cinematic sea view. So we are right now in the sample apartment on the 20th floor, but actually it's also for sale. So this is an opportunity that you can purchase the apartment you see. It's 246 meters square gross size, 184 meters square net size. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths and plus powder room, separated kitchen, and now we are starting our tour inside the apartment. What I see from the first entrance, that we are getting into a huge size living room. By the way, furnitures are really huge size, so maybe it looks like a small, but the items are very huge here. The apartment living room is on the corner side, and all the windows from bottom to top with a high ceiling. We see full sea view from the both sides of the apartment. Heatings are under the windows here, low radiators. The flooring is all parquet, natural wood, and we have a central cooling system in the apartment. In this sample apartment, they did a nice TV setup here, and the all feature wall here is a marble. I guess it's the Italian marble here, and on the walls they used mirrors. That these mirrors are making the space. So from this point, this side they designed as a dining area, formal dining area, and this table is fit for 10 people, and there's chandelier on the top. They use the classic design chandelier, and here there's a huge mirror. Maybe you can change this mirror to full mirror on the wall. This will extend the sea view you are getting in the apartment, and it will extend the size look of the living room. By the way, furnitures may need a change. Maybe it is not your taste. You can make a more modernized design furnitures in this apartment, but you can purchase as it you see also from here. And from this space we are moving to the corridor area. This is the entrance hall of the apartment. Each space is so wide and large. In the entrance door, the apartment is welcoming us with the camera and the management system that you can connect with the security and the reception for the concierge and additional needs. And also I heard that they have in the entrance always a bellboy, that they are managing the project like a hotel. Here there is the management system for the camera, for the security and the concierge service. The owners, developers of the project has also big know-how from the hotel management. They are also owner of 4 Seasons in Turkey, so they pass this know-how here that always there is bellboy concierge service in the project. So from the entrance hall, it's directly taking you to kitchen, which is a good design, that if you are coming with the supermarket bags, that you can directly pass to kitchen without people see you in the living room. I would like to tell that this size of kitchen, maybe we sell smaller apartments. This is a huge kitchen. Here we have a long linear island over here. They did huge breakfast nook. It's like a dining table. You can do many things in this size of kitchen. There is an amazing chandelier. It looks like a living room area. And all the countertops are white, and the back splash wall is Villaraibo ceramic tiles, which is a famous Italian brand, and they used Miele white goods, which is coming with the apartment, cooker, aspirator, stainless steel aspirator, and the fridge comes with the flat. This is also Miele branded, and there is microwave oven over here, and all these kitchen cupboards are made by Collection Furniture, which is a well-known Turkish brand. So they put some TV setup over here also. So what I see about the kitchen, this is like a second living room, other than a kitchen, because you can sit here, you have a coffee corner, you have the TV setup. So you can use this in this flat as a second living room, this space. So from here, it's passing to the bathrooms and the bedrooms. From here, this is a big cupboard here. It has a dryer and washing machine set up over here, and you can put some of your stuff. And the other side is powder room. Good size powder room. Again, they use the Villaraibo branded ceramics on this space. So this is a powder room. They use Villaraibo ceramic tiles, and this small floating vanity over here. We have nice Turkish brands, Drovit, used in these spaces. Again, these doors are Collection Furniture, natural wood, and I see that the height of the doors are very good. And this is the first bathroom. The apartment is surprising me that each bedroom has its own bathroom, but out of the bedroom. So, Rohat, if you want, you can show it here. So there is a thick wood on the flooring of the shower. It's a walk-in shower here. This thick wood is always making me feeling that I am on a boat. And this is the first bedroom of this bathroom here. It's a good sized bedroom that I can say it is bigger than 3 by 4. It's like 14-15 square meter, and all the way of the bedroom has a nice sea view. Some of the projects on this line, on the living room there is a sea view, but the bedrooms always looking inside. But in this apartment, from living room to kitchen to all bedrooms and the master bedroom, you have an amazing sea view. This is the plus point for this apartment. It is because of the shape of the land turning here like a U shape, like an island. So from the all sides, you have a nice sea view. Here we have some management of the electric systems and the radiator systems here. This is the second bedroom. You can use it as a guest bedroom. There's a nice opening windows. Because of the from top to down glasses, all the rooms are getting a very nice daylight. And again, the radiators here and the cooling system is the central in the apartment. From this space, Rohat will add in the video the second bathroom. So this bedroom has its own bathroom. And lastly, we are getting into master bedroom. Master bedroom is again corner like a living room. This is a huge space, maybe with the walk-in wardrobe and the bathroom. It's around 40-50 meters square space. Normally in the project it's a 2 apartments, so you are getting 2 title deeds. I'm guessing that in the first design this side was the living room of the second apartment. So this is a huge size master bedroom. You have your coffee corners, bed setup, huge size, king size, and from the both sides you are having a nice view. Here is the sea view, and this is a city view that you can see until end of Istanbul from this point. This bedroom has 2 doors here. This one door they designed as a walk-in wardrobe. The walk-in wardrobe is actually like a room because it has its own window and it is getting the daylight and here you can put your stuff inside this walk-in wardrobe. And this side of the room, they designed a master bathroom. It is pretty much similar like the other bathrooms. Again, they have the Villa Rainbow ceramics, white and black is used. Nice chandeliers and floating vanity set up here. And the apartment is pretty much like this. And from this point, we will see the social areas of the project. We see in the sample apartment with breathtaking sea view, and this is the reception of the project. From this point, we see the facilities, garden, green areas of 16.9. Here, they have the nice children playing areas in 4 different points. They have the barbecue area, nice green, walking pathways all around, and basketball court, tennis court, football field, volleyball field. They have outdoor swimming pool, indoor swimming pool which is Olympic size, spa area, massage rooms, and many other facilities and concierge services in the project. So 16.9 is overall like this. Location is close to many points. They have the Marmaray, metro, close to Beyoğlu, close to Fatih, close to Zeytinburnu, Bakırköy, middle point for many things. With the underground road, you can pass the, with Avrasya to Asian side from this point. So today we did 16.9. Thank you for watching. The broker is out.